Hey, do you want the perfect flowering native vine to cover a trellis, arbor, gazebo, pergola, or even a wall? One that's easy to grow, beautiful, and pollinators love? Well, stick around because today we're talking Tangerine Beauty Crossvine. Come on, let's go. Tangerine Beauty Crossvine is a flowering, clinging vine native to Texas and the southeastern United States that can easily grow to 15 to 20 feet tall and wide. Its lush, semi-evergreen foliage consists of leaves that are about 4 to 6 inches long and 2 inches wide. They're a glossy, dark green color throughout most of the growing season, but turn a showy reddish purple after the first frost. By far the most outstanding feature of Tangerine Beauty Crossvine is its abundance of stunning tangerine-colored, trumpet-shaped blooms that are 3 inches long. The blooms, which appear in the spring and continue throughout the growing season, not only provide a spectacular show but also attract butterflies, bees, and especially hummingbirds. Tangerine Beauty is hardy to USDA plant hardiness zones 6 through 9. It grows best in fairly well-drained soils, but will grow in a variety of soils in pH levels ranging from clay to sand to silt to limestone. Once established, it is extremely heat and drought tolerant and will grow in full sun to partial shade. The showy, clinging vine is ideal for climbing and covering a trellis, fence, arbor, pergola, and brick or rock walls. It makes for a good cover or screen as well as an excellent living wall by providing shade in the hot summer months and blocking cold winds during the winter. Tangerine Beauty Crossvine is ideal for any landscape, especially native, organic, pollinator, and earth-kind gardens. So plant some in your yard this season. You'll be pleased with the plant's adaptability and rewarded with a brilliant show of tangerine blossoms throughout the growing season. To learn about another beautiful native plant, be sure to watch this video about Turk's Cap.